7 truths that will make your trading better. Now, these are my truths, my journal, my perspectives. You are free to have your own conclusion. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is for me to understand, for me to come back to build my systems from, and yeah, enjoy. I don't even know why I say enjoy. But number one, it's not necessarily for learners and for, I don't want to say slow traders, but traders that prefer to trade in a long-term perspective. It's more of aggressive traders who love money. We often say, don't think about the money in the market, but we cannot not think about the money. So this is about that perspective. Number one, even learners can take this into consideration, and people who trade long term, which is me. I trade both long term and aggressive. It's goat. Goat. I'm thinking Ronaldo. So it's good to have both perspectives of long term and short term, aggressive and gradual trading systems. So what are these truths? What are these truths that we can incorporate that makes our trading better? Number one, this will make you feel at ease. Blowing is normal. You will blow. It's normal. Have that in mind. The market is 50-50. The outcome of your account is 50-50. Now, it doesn't matter the level of your skill. It doesn't matter the size of your account. You will blow. Now, that doesn't mean you should be scared and say, now that I have a big account, that means I'm going to blow instantly. No, you blow because of things like over-leveraging, mistiming. You blow because of bad data. Sometimes the market is just in bad form. You blow because you interacted with dormant market conditions. You haven't been funding for like a year or 2 or 6 months or something like that, and then you interact with a different type of market condition. Now, that doesn't mean the market has changed. You have this idea that interacting with a different market condition means the dynamics or the foundations, the general perspectives of the market have changed. No, they haven't changed. Structure still remains structure. The only difference is, in real time, what do you see on your chart? And understand you will blow based on real time, how well real time interacts with your account. You know what I'm saying? So blowing is normal. Blowing is normal. The main idea should be, I have a potential, I have an opportunity to hit my goal using this platform, which is the market, which is I can sit at home, I can be anywhere and trade. Now, when I talk about I'll get into the part of, can you really trade anywhere, discipline and all that. Again, the market doesn't pay your discipline. It pays your risk management. It pays your timing. Good timing and good risk management is all you need. Now, how you phrase that is based on your strategy, is based on your funding intervals, is based on how often you interact with the market, your availability to interact with the market. So that's something to understand. I don't want to confuse myself too much, even though I can feel certain points coming in my head. So blowing is normal. You will blow regardless of situation, regardless of standard. But you should have the standard that you don't want to blow. So I have to read this. I don't know. Number 2, don't lose your earnings. Once you start making profit in the market, let's say you are trying to attempt your goal, try your best to not lose your profits. Again, if you want to hit your goal, the best way is to perceive the market from a survival and progressive standpoint. Am I surviving and am I progressing? So yeah, don't lose your earnings. And that would be saying be calculated, don't be entitled. Understand the context of data. When you come into the market, don't say, I know enough. I've traded successfully enough. And now since I'm coming back after a long layoff, I'm just gonna, straddle through. No. There's no absence of work in the market. You come in there focused, ensuring that you are here to survive and progress. And surviving means you understand that you'll blow. You understand that your account is for the taking. It's already gone. The only loss you have is your initial deposit. From here, it's progress and survival towards your goal. So your goal is for the take. But do not be entitled. Be calculated about it. So yeah. Number three. You are not tied to any method of trading. You are only tied to progress and survival of your account. But you can only understand progress and survival by understanding that your initial deposit is already gone. You know what I'm saying? Depending on your funding. Now, if you're funding like 100K and you're taking it off the top, it's different. Can your account still blow? Yes, but it's different from your initial account being blown, because you can look at it from a different perspective, which is my goal is to take off the top, meaning I don't need to risk that much. My only risk is wasted time, and wasted time is bad data from a technical standpoint, from a participation standpoint, from a trading standpoint. So you're not tied to any method. You're only tied to progress and survival. That's all you need. That's all you need. Then don't rush signal, profit, or conclusion. Now this is going to emphasize the previous point. Context of data decides the method you use. The context of data decides the type of pressure you use on the trade. When I talk about pressure, I'm talking about risk. Even if you have a small account, the market is going to tell you what it needs. You just need to follow it honestly. But honestly doesn't mean stupidly. It means in a calculated manner where you could see that, okay, the market is pulling back. I'll take a bait trade. Why? Because momentum is on the bullish side. So bait trades would mean I'd put a stop order at my stop loss because I trust that momentum is going to breach this, and you want to put double the orders of your bait trades or 3 times the orders, because when momentum pushes to that side, you want to profit off momentum. So it's basically things like that. It's the context of data. It tells you how much pressure you need to use. On some days, the market is just a W. You don't need to put out a bait trade on a W. You go all in because it's a good trade. You know what I'm saying? It's a good trade. Don't take these lies where a trade is too obvious, it's not going to happen. Real time is what's happening. You are dealing with real time. The goal is how do you deal with real time properly. If you don't deal with real time properly, then there is no, this signal is obvious. You make the signal obvious by understanding it. How obvious is your understanding? So don't rush signal, profit, or conclusion. Context of data tells you what's needed and tells you what method you need to use. So these are the truths. Number 1, blowing is normal, so don't get attached to your account. As soon as you fund, take it as your initial, take it as an entry point to achieving your goal, which is your goal is capital management. This is an opportunity for me to obtain the capital that I require. I know blowing is normal, and blowing means I take my account as already gone. Now what I'm playing with is my skill, my time, my focus. And every day you're going to come and collect. Come and collect. Number 2 is you're not tied to any method. No. Don't lose your earnings. Number 2, don't lose your earnings. When you trade, as much as you're focused, as much as you are in the zone of trading, understanding that your account is for the taking. It's already gone, and the only thing that you need to use is your skill, focus, and time. But don't lose your earnings. Every time you trade, perceive progress. Whatever I'm doing, it's going to move me and propel me forward. Don't say, I don't want to lose the trade. No. Whether I lose the trade or not, whatever action is going to happen today is going to propel me forward, and you're going to start seeing opportunity. Perspective creates reality. So perceive that. Do not lose your earnings. Number 3, you're not tied to any method. Profit time conclusion is based on the context of the market. So it tells you there's no intuition. Everything can be calculated for. So think about the context of data and how you can utilize it in the best possible way. How can you utilize it in the best possible way today to progress towards your account? My initial account is already gone. As my account fluctuates, I shouldn't take that too hard and say, this is my account. No, I should take that as this is still the opportunity for me to progress and propel myself to my goal using my skill, focus, and time. So yeah, those are the truths. And in terms of being a learner is not a bad thing. It's one of the best things because you get to be great. You get to be an artist in your field. You get to touch heights that we maybe are stuck in. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, being a learner is good. Utilize time as your greatest asset. Time and effort creates evidence. It's like today, I didn't want to make this video, but reps create reputation. I don't know. That's just the saying. I'm just saying now. But yeah, reps create confidence or direction or whatever. The more you do something, you feel better and you feel more guided. So don't give up, don't quit, even if it feels confusing. The easiest way to start, now I'm going to start dropping some gems again. The easiest way to start is by isolating time frames and also understanding that time frames can reflect on one another. But isolation first. So yeah, when you learn, be willing to learn. Be willing to learn. So yeah, these are the truths that will help you in your trading.